Hello friends, welcome to AMD Minis. Today we are going to talk about codeorg App Lab. App Lab is a great tool to understand basic computer application using user interactive elements called UI and logic flow. Code.org is an online tool. We can open it by typing code.org in any browser address bar. Most important thing is that we need to sign in or log in first to avoid any accidental deletion of our project. In the signing page, we can sign up by traditional username and password, or we can use Google Authenticator using any existing Gmail ID. We are successfully logged in. Here we select projects and then click App Lab. We can see the tool is very simple and no complexity added. In the top bar, we can name the project, share it with friends, or duplicate any existing project for further modifications. We have three sections here: code, design, and data. Let's talk about code section a bit. This part is full of tools for UI control, data handling, logic flow, and basic mathematics operations. As you can see, hovering over each toolbars gives us a lot of options to play with. This is the main workspace for composing code. As you can see, I am composing some demo code by dragging some UI elements combining with control flow elements. This design section is for applications UI look and feel. Every application consists of multiple UI screens. In a simple word, screens are where we should draw all our UI elements like text box, buttons, checkbox, pictures, and more. We can have all the UI tools in the design toolbox. Each tool have multiple characteristics called properties that we can change to fine-tune our applications. Let's drag some of the UI elements to the screen area and have some fun. After we compose our UI design, it's time to test the application. Simply press Run button and hooray! You can pause this video and try some hands-on. Please compose the screen by adding one label, one text input and two buttons, and come back when you're done. Next is the data section. This section is to store data in a tabular fashion and manage it. This is a very advanced topic. We will talk about this section in later videos. Please do check my next video for creating a basic Hello World application. Thank you.